In today's video, we're going to be doing a demonstration on the 3D bath bomb mold of the Halloween cauldron. This is from us. We print these ourselves, and it consists of 2 cups, which are exactly the same with the exception of one of the cups has a lip on it, and that's so that the outside shell can sit on top of there. And as you can see in the details of this mold, it's got the little ring there on each side of the cauldron. And then we've got, of course, our outside shell. So we're going to start by taking our 1 cup that has the lip, placing that down on the bottom, taking our outside shell and placing that on the top. And we're just going to start filling with our kinetic sand. And you guys can see now what kinetic sand is like. See how it's moving? See how it's stretching? Regular play sand doesn't do this. The stuff that I tried to create the other day on the channel did not do this. And also, your bath bomb mixture should not do this. So this is only for a mold demo purpose. And if I'm being completely honest, I'm not going to continue using the kinetic sand to do the rest of the mold demos because it's not a true representation. It is not. It's not looking, feeling, acting, or doing anything like what your bath bomb mixture should be doing. And I think that it's better served if I use actual bath bomb mixture so you guys can have a true representation of how these molds work and what to expect with the final product. All right, so now we've got everything molded in there pretty good, right? Let's give some taps. Whoa, Daddy. Calm down. All right, let's lift straight up and off with our bottom plate. Cup, rather. Cup. They're 2 cups. All right, so you can see the detail already on that side. And now we're just going to push completely up with our bottom plunger. Grab our little piece of cardboard here, and what we're going to do is we're going to place this on its side now, and we're going to have to do the shimmy shake to get this out of here, right? So some taps. Okie dokie, and here we go. Here is our cauldron mold. And we've got the handle on both sides. How cute is that? Look at the cauldron. That's cute as hell, you guys. So you can find this mold as well as many other molds up on soap-chef.com. I'm going to give you guys a direct link down below. If you found this useful, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, comment, hit that subscription button and that little notification bell right next to the subscription button so that you can be notified every time we upload a new video. Till next time, take care.